See all the traffic problems I caused because I was the first one to spot this moose. It's people everywhere. None of these were here when I pulled over. Hey everybody, I was just about to call it a day. I came down this road in Grand Teton National Park I hadn't been before. It's called Lupine Meadows Trailhead. And get the fingers out of the way. Driving down here and there was a moose out here. Just grazing around. Several people were stopped. Got out. It was a little bull moose, still in velvet, had some little antlers on him. First moose I ever got, that was on my list to get. So there's a beautiful waterfall up there coming down. You probably can't see it, but I did get some video of it with the big camera. So I might just go ahead and throw a really quick video together with my first ever moose picture. So see him just down this little dirt road. And it's raining, of course. But I got the moose pictures and they look like they're pretty good in the camera. Got some really good close-up shots. He was probably, gosh, maybe 40 yards away, it looked like. I'm not good with distance like that. So anyway, thanks for watching this video if I upload it. Well, just had some more excitement. I was leaving where I saw the bull moose, and I'm coming down the road, and these people, I'll show you, are all stopped in the road. I'm trying to figure out what did they stop for. So I'm looking left. I don't see anything. I'm looking right. I don't see anything. I look back in front of me, and there is a fox coming down the road right at me. And he's got something in its mouth, so I thought it was maybe babies. I don't know how well the pictures will come out. I did get some shots of it running across the field here, and it looked like some chipmunks or something. He had about 3 of them in its mouth, so I guess it raided a chipmunk den or something. So now I got a bull moose and my first Grand Teton fox. It's been a pretty good day for coming down a road I didn't plan on coming down. My gosh. So anyway, I guess I'll add this to the video. Stick around, might be something else. just leaving the park and through the moose entrance, and I see a moose, coincidentally. Just one solo moose out there by itself. Of course, as soon as I slammed on the brakes and pulled over, everybody else did too. I don't blame them. So, to recap, got a moose, my first moose. I got a fox, first Grand Teton fox, and now I got a second moose, all in the same day. It's been a good day. Thanks for watching.